Scott, can an individual sue a homeowner if they've had an injury on their property in Massachusetts?
You absolutely can make a claim for your damages, your injuries, to recover your physical pain, your mental anguish, any impairment you might have, medical expenses, lost earnings, against a homeowner who's neglectful in causing your injuries. There are all kinds of personal injury claims. There's things you've heard of, product liability claims, or claims for slip and falls, claims for injuries in automobile accidents. A claim against a homeowner is not really much different than that. If you have a slip and fall in somebody's house on a unreasonably dangerous condition that they knew or should have known existed, you can absolutely bring a claim of damages for that. But there's a whole host of other things that you can bring claims for that you wouldn't necessarily imagine. A homeowner's been paying for insurance annually for the entire life of the home that they've owned. And so they realize that things can happen. And things can happen, say, with a pet. People come to me many times and say, well, I don't want to sue my neighbor after they were bitten by a dog. And yet that neighbor has a home, has homeowner's insurance that they're paying for. And just as if they got into a car wreck through their neglect, they ran a stop sign and hurt somebody, they're covered by their insurance company for injuries done to you by a dog that had known vicious propensities, a dog that wasn't properly quarantined or cordoned off in a fenced-in area and gets loose. There's all types of claims you can make for people getting hurt around a swimming pool, for people getting stepping in holes on property that shouldn't be there, injuries caused by a child's neglect. So sometimes your child might be out playing and throw a rock at somebody. Believe it or not, homeowners coverage applies in that situation. And it's really important that you go to a personal injury lawyer who has experience handling these claims so they can tell you if your injury is going to be covered by somebody's homeowner's insurance. And that applies whether you're visiting a home as a social guest, whether you're visiting the home to work there at the home. There's all kinds of nuances involved in a homeowner's claim, and you deserve to hear what your options are.